Today, I'm going to share with you 3 crucial mistakes that parents make about private tuition over center-based tuition. The first mistake is convenience over quality. You may be thinking that you are saving 1 or 2 hours of traveling time. But are you? Yes, students travel all over Singapore to go for a quality English tuition. You may wonder why. Quality English tuition has real-time feedback, where students get to internalize concepts. There is dynamic, interactive classroom discussions and exchange of ideas, which challenges their inquisitive minds. All in all, this contributes to incidental on top of structured learning of English. The second most common mistake that parents make about private tuition is that students get undivided attention. To be honest, how much time can the tutor teach during the lesson while the student is doing his work?
It's around 5 hours.
The third common mistake that parents make is structured curriculum over assessment books. You may have heard, you need to buy this book or that book by a private tutor. In the worst case scenario, most of these books are left untouched. And to your nightmare, your child doesn't even make the English grade. But at RG, we have a top-notch curriculum to meet all your child's English needs. No assessment books, but our very own in-house curriculum paced to ensure that all the different components are taught and caught. We have 2 exams, which include the listening comprehension and oral. 50% of curriculum focuses on writing, which means that your child gets all the practice needs. The icing on the cake at RG is that your child gets tested for the oral exam by different teachers to simulate the exam situation. So, to find out more about our English program, click on the link around this video. Once again, I'm Ms. Tanam from RG Channel Future School, and I look forward to seeing you soon.